In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital magazine in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find the right starting point and customize it into a polished, professional-looking magazine that fits your content and style. Start on the Canva homepage and head to the Templates section. This is where Canva keeps professionally designed layouts you can build on, which saves a lot of time and ensures your magazine looks cohesive from the very first page. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar and type Digital Magazine. This tells Canva exactly what you're after and brings up layouts designed with multi-page reading, columns, and strong cover designs in mind. Take a moment to browse through the results. Hover over options to preview multiple pages, check the overall vibe, and look for a page count and structure that match your needs. Consider the tone, minimal, bold, editorial, or lifestyle, and think about readability. If your magazine will be text-heavy, choose a template with generous margins and clear typography. If it's more visual, look for strong image grids and feature spreads. When you find a great fit, open it and select Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor so you can make it your own. Now the fun part, editing. Start with the cover. Double-click the title and subheading to replace the text with your magazine name, issue, or theme, and a short tagline. Keep the headline concise and ensure strong color contrast for readability. Next, update fonts and colors to match your brand or theme. If you already use a consistent palette and typeface, apply them across all pages for a unified look. Replace images by uploading your own or choosing from Canva's library, then drag and drop to swap them in. Use the crop and position tools to keep subjects centered and avoid cutting off important details. For inside pages, refine the layout. Adjust column widths, line spacing, and paragraph breaks to create a comfortable reading rhythm. Duplicate a page to reuse a layout you like, and reorder pages in the Page Manager to fine-tune the flow of your story. Add page numbers with small text boxes near the edges and align them consistently using Canva's smart guides. As you work, zoom out to review the whole magazine. Check that headings, spacing, and image treatments feel consistent from cover to back page. Give your project a clear name at the top so it's easy to find later. Canva saves your progress automatically. And that's it. You've transformed a ready-made layout into a custom digital magazine tailored to your voice and content.